With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Here our question is, identify the set of reagents, reaction conditions, reagents or reaction condition X and Y in the following set of transformation. Here the reaction is given. This is alkyl halide reacting under the reagent or reaction condition X, forming a product. We don't know about the product, and then this product is reacting with another reagent and forming this structure. This is secondary alkyl halide. Okay, so these are the four options we need to tell about X and Y. Okay, so first of all, let's see the product forming is here. We can see the product is converting. The substrate is primary alkyl halide and the final product is secondary alkyl halide. So what should be the reaction? It should be converted into alkene, and then by Markovnikov's rule, HBr is acting here. Let's check each option. Dilute aqueous NaOH. In the presence of dilute aqueous NaOH, we know that in the presence of dilute aqueous NaOH, substitution of OH occurs. Substitution of OH occurs. That means when this primary alkyl halide CH3, CH2, CH2Br, when react with dilute aqueous NaOH, it will form alcohol. CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Okay, and why is HBr? And now we know that further this alcohol does not react with HBr. Okay, it will not show further reaction because here OC bond is strong bond. Okay, so next, move up to the next option. So this cannot be our answer. Next option given is concentrated alcoholic NaOH, and why is HBr in the presence of acetic acid? Okay, so let's see the reaction. What happens when your alkyl halide reacts with concentrated alcoholic NaOH, or KOH? What happens? Elimination reaction occurs. Here alkene is formed. Okay, so this will be our product. Br get eliminated from here and H will get eliminated from here. So an alkene is formed. This is elimination reaction. Okay. Now further, this is your X. Now further, here Y given is HBr, right? HBr. So when this alkene react with HBr, this is your Y. What happens? Markovnikov reaction will occur, and according to the Markovnikov rule, negative part goes to that carbon which has less number of hydrogen, and positive part goes to that carbon which has more number of hydrogen. Okay, so the product formed will be this according to Markovnikov rules. Okay, so this is our answer. We are getting the desired product here according to the question. So our X will be alcoholic concentrated NaOH and Y will be HBr in the presence of acetic acid. So this is your answer, B option. Okay. Now check other options also. Dilute aqueous NaOH. No, this cannot be our answer because in dilute aqueous NaOH, alcohol is formed. And further, alcohol will not react with Br2 because Br2, HBr, these show reaction with alkenes only. Okay. Concentrated alcoholic NaOH, yes. And Br2, see, when concentrated alcoholic NaOH after reaction with this compound, alkene is formed. Okay. And when this alkene react with Br2 in the presence of chloroform, Br2 in the presence of CHCl3 chloroform, anti-addition of Br occurs. Okay, CH here CH2. Here addition of two Br compounds occur, and here our product is having only one Br, not two Brs. So this cannot be our answer also. So this is your answer, B option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.